Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the button animation. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. For suggestions on what you want us to do next a tutorial on, leave a comment down below. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the PNG footage to the timeline. Make it smaller. And remove it from viewpoint. Now go to Titles, and add Title 29. Go to Advanced. Change the font to Impact. Don't forget to turn off any animation. Now go to Add Shape, and select a shape of your choice. Unselect Text Border and Text Shadow. Adjust the shape to look better and bigger. Make the design based on your taste and style. Adjust it to the footage. Now click on the footage, go to Animations, and add keyframe. Now let's go a little bit ahead. Adjust the position for the footage to touch the text shape. Make sure to put the footage above the text shape. Now go a little bit further and add another keyframe. Very little bit further and change the size to 81%. Now just a little bit further and change it again to 100%. Now make sure to adjust them right, to look more smooth. Now click on the text and cut it before the subject touches it. After that, change the design of the text shape a little bit, so it can be different from the first one. Now we should add a keyframe to the text as well. Go a little further and make it a little smaller as well as little below. Then just a little bit further and change to defaults. After that, add another keyframe, go a little bit further and change the X position to -544 and Y to 437 until the mouse icon disappears. If the video was helpful for you, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and for suggestions on what you want us to produce next week, leave a comment down below.